Garbage Store presents unboxing the Blinkey Plus on Pac-Man, and you are watching a Super Mario Productions. Hi guys, it's Gavin. So today we're unboxing the Blinkey Plus I got today from Pac-Man. So I got it today. So I'm gonna make an unboxing. And if that YouTuber, I saw a YouTuber, if you're watching this video, you see I have just the same plus as yours. And this is nothing. And plus it's a little strange, so I have to say is I'm gonna be real super careful. Okay, before I do, here's the front. It says Pac-Man Arcade Talking Plus the sound, and the side is the arcade. Back the original arcade sounds. Cut from all. There's 4 different ones: Pac-Man, Blinky, Pinky, and the blue Scaredy Ghost. I only had this Pac-Man. I didn't get Pac-Man because I had like a piggy bank of Pac-Man I secondly liked, but so I got Blinky because I wanted Blinky so much. Yeah. Okay. And let me just get this off quickly. Alright. Let me go for you. Just around the background noises, please. Oh, this is hard. Here we go. Here's the box. Holy crap. That looks freaking awesome. So awesome. Whoa! Look at that. So yeah, this is the Blinkey Plus. Check it out, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna keep this tag. See, look, Pac-Man. Oh man, this is my favorite plus ever. This is my favorite plus from the series now. And if you don't know, I have another enemy from the Doe series. Is Boo from the Mario series, and you can see, look at Boo. He's so small compared to Goomba. He's maybe bigger than him, but look. First Boo from Mario, I got that for my birthday gift. So look at him. He is so cool. He has the blue eyes, the back. You can see what. Yeah. You can see, and the tag is Pac-Man, Banana Entertainment Inc. So yeah, guys, that's the video. Please subscribe to the channel and really helps us out. And this will probably be a bad guy in the series, but maybe not. But he won't be on Bowser's team. He's probably gonna be an enemy. I think I'm gonna make a Pac-Man series after one day. So yeah, guys, bye. Blinkey.